Hi everyone. In this video I am going to explain about the 4 variable K map for product of sums. In the previous video I have explained about the representation of product of sums, sum of products using K map. Now this video is made for product of sums. Product of sums. So example for product of sums representation is A plus B into C plus D or D bar, something like that. So first we need to perform sum. Later we need to provide product between these two sums. That is product of sums. Like that we may have n number of products, n number of sums and product in between them. So we are having a K map where 4 variables are there. Let us consider 4 variables as A, B, C and D. These are the 4 input variables and y as output function. Now we need to draw the K variable K map for this 4 variable K map, and for 4 variables 2 power 4 it gives 16 combinations. So 16 combinations means 16 blocks we need to consider, 16 combinations. So our inputs A, B, C, D. A, B on the left hand side, C, D on the right hand side. And in order to represent 0, 0, those combinations, as there are 2, so 2 variables will come vertically and 2 more variables will go horizontally. So 0, 0, 0, 1, it is 1, 1 because we have to follow gray code representation 1, 1 and 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, sorry, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Gray code representation, which is a unit distance code representation. Now the block number for this one is 0, 0, 0, 0, nothing but 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. It is 0 representation. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1, nothing but 3. It is 2. 0, 0, 1, 0. And 0, 1, 0, 0. It is 4, 5, and it is 6. It is 7. Next, this is 8, 9, 10. This is 10, and this is 11. 12, 13, and it is 14. This is 15. So 0 to 15, totally 16 blocks are there. 16 blocks are there. Now the main difference between SOP and POS is representation of expression of the Boolean function. Okay. Now how to write the expression for the location 0? How to write the expression for the location 0? Okay. How to write this one? What are the corresponding values for the ABCD here? A is 0, B is 0, C is 0 and D is 0. All 4 are zeros. Okay, you have to remember one thing, that in POS, in product of sums, we should give priority to logic 0. We should give priority to logic 0. That means whose value is 0, that will be taken as true form. Okay, so 0 must be represented in true form. In true form, 0 must be represented in true form. Suppose A is 0, then it is A. Okay, A is 1, then it should be in complement form, A bar. Okay, now here see 0, 0. 0 means A is 0, B is 0, C is 0 and D is 0. This is A, B and C, D. The expression for this one is A plus B plus C plus D. This is the expression of the Boolean function if you are having a value here. Okay, in product of sums we need to map zeros. Instead of ones, we need to map zeros. I will tell when we go for the example. Okay, next one. One means 0, 0, 0, 1. How can you represent the Boolean expression for this one? A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, D is 1. As we have noted that 0 should be given priority, so and it is true form. So A plus B plus C plus it is D bar. D bar. And for 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. Here C is taking complement because C is equal to 1. So it is A plus B plus C bar plus D. And similarly, somewhere around like 10. 1, 0, 1, 0. How can you represent 1, 0, 1, 0? It is A bar plus B plus C bar plus D. So what I am doing, wherever I have 1, there I am taking complement, and 0 is taken as true form, but in between we have to use plus instead of dot product like previous POS SOP. In product of sums we have to consider plus. Likewise 15 is nothing but all are ones, that is A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. This is the representation of product of sums in a particular block of this K map. Okay, suppose if any value is there here like 0, then you have to map like this. What is the number for this one? 7. 7 means what is the answer? 0 triple 1. 0 triple 1 means what is the expression? A plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. This is the expression for this particular 0 which is there in this particular location 7. Hope you understand. Okay, let me take one example, a simple example for the given POS representation. Write product of sums expression for the truth table. So one truth table is given like this: A, B, C and D. This is output Y. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Let us consider zeros for 4 and 0, 1, 0, 0. This is also 0. 0, 1, 0, 1. It is 1, and again we are having 0 at last. Let us consider an example like this. Okay, as I am unable to show all the combinations, I am taking like this. Okay, now take K map. AB CD 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, now see where we are having in the remaining cases we are having ones. Let us consider all the remaining cases we are having ones except up to 4 and 15th one. So 0, 0, 0, 0, and this is also 0 as per our table, and again 15 is 0. This is 15th location. Okay, now see all remaining are ones. No need to represent ones in the POS representation. Even if you represent, you are not going to map ones, you are going to map zeros in POS representation. So that's why just I am not representing for our understanding. See, these 4 zeros we can map. Mapping should be done between 2 zeros, 4 zeros, 8 zeros, 16 zeros, like that in case of POS. In case of SOP, 2 ones, 4 ones, 8 ones, 16 ones, like that. Okay, so 4 zeros on horizontal side like CD, we cannot take any combination because all 4 are different combinations. If it is only for 2, then we can consider which is common between them. but as all four are different, we cannot consider. But on the AB side, we are having only 0, 0. So A is 0, B is 0. How to represent A is 0, B is 0 here? What is the corresponding expression for this mapping? A is 0 means A is in true form and B is also 0. It is in on true form, and between them you are having plus. Okay, this is the result of this particular mapping. And again one more mapping should be here because this 0 is very side for this particular 0, so we have to map these two, and the expression for this one is AB side we can take A bar as common, sorry, 0 A is common, so it is A, and here it is C D. So A plus C plus D. The expression for this one is A plus C plus D. And what about this one? This 0 is alone. We don't have any zeros nearby. That's why this 0 should be mapped like this. So on left hand side from AB we are having A1 B1. So it is A bar plus B bar, and here you are having C bar plus D bar. So if you write all these in an equation, therefore the expression for that one y is equal to a plus b into a plus c plus d, a plus c plus d, and here it is a bar plus b bar plus c bar plus d bar. See here for 15 it is a bar plus b bar plus c bar plus d bar. It is also 0 in the 15th location. Okay, this is the expression of product of sums for the given example. Okay, we have to remember one thing here. When you are mapping, see, three different combinations are there. One single zero combination is there, two zeros combination is there, four zeros combination is there. Okay, single zero gives all four variables. There is no elimination. Once again I am repeating, single zero gives all four variables without any elimination. Two zero mapping eliminates one variable. See, B is not there. A, C, D, only A, C, D are there. So two zeros mapping eliminates one variable. One zero means all variables will come. What about this one? Four variables are there. Four variables gives four zeros mapping gives two variables. So four zeros eliminates two variables. C, D are eliminated here. A and B are present. Okay. For example, you are having 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This rule is applicable for SOP also. Okay, depends upon the number of mappings, we can eliminate the number of variables in the Boolean expression. Suppose this is the expression A, B, C, D, and here what is the mapping probability? Here we can map all four or 8 zeros because all 8 are neighbors. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. See what happens here? All 8 zeros are mapped here. All 8 zeros results. What is the expression? On the CD side, we cannot take any combination because all are different. On AB side, we can take A, 0 is common. So it gives A only. It gives A only because on the left hand side, A is 0, which is common from both the combinations, but B is variable. B is varying. We cannot take. So 8 zeros combination will give you one single variable. That means three variables gone. Okay. For the same example, suppose, see, I am having zeros here also. Okay. Then what to do? All 16 zeros we can combine. All 16 zeros we can combine. So all 16 zeros means it gives 0, because it is a POS. Here in this case y is equal to a, here in this case y equal to 0. Okay, suppose sir I have K map like this. I'm here I'm trying to explain all the different combinations, because we don't know what type of combination you will get when you're doing problems. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, sorry 1 1 1 0. Okay, now see, for example, you are having total 12 zeros like this. How to map then? You cannot map 12 zeros, because our mapping should be consisting of 1 2 4 8 and 16. This is the number of zeros or number of ones mapping probability. Okay, you can map one single element, or you can map two elements, four elements, 8 elements, 16 elements. What do you mean by that? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4 and so on, like this. Okay, you are able to map. This case is valid for both ones and as well as zeros, POS and as well as SOP. Okay, so you can map either in these combinations. So that's why we have to map this particular 8, and these 4 are alone. You can map these 4 separately, but if you map these 4, it results 2 variables. But as much as possible reduction we must consider. That's why these 4 can combine these 4 which are already mapped in the previous case. Okay, so that it gives one particular variable, and results in a 2 variable only. Hope you understand. So we have to, from the K map, we have to concentrate on the maximum possible reduction of the variables. Okay, what is the expression for this one? It is A. What is the expression for this one? It is B. B bar, because it is 0 1 1 1. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So 1 1 means this one is common, which is B bar. Okay, so y is equal to, such type of expression gives A into B bar. This is the POS representation. POS representation. A into B bar. Okay, hope you understand. This is the way how to write the expressions from the K-map, 4 variable K-map for the product of sums. Thank you.